Introduce my panel in the meantime. Tonight only citizens, men of great eminence. Anil Dharkar, prominent journalist and writer, but citizen tonight. Rishi Kapoor, one of India's best known faces from the cinema industry. But tonight, Rishi Kapoor, you're coming as a citizen, right?
Absolutely.
Not a star. Not a star or a celebrity.
No. I'm not even politically inclined, nor is my family. I'm here absolutely for the love of my country.
Thank you very much, Rishi Kapoor. Pritish Nandi, citizen tonight, not former editor, corporate tycoon, no. Citizen tonight. Anupam Kher was also there as a citizen tonight this morning. Absolutely. So asking you, Anupam Kher. Hartosh Bal is joining us. He's political editor of Open Magazine. Thank you, Hartosh, for coming in. Coming to you in a bit. Meenakshi Lekhi is joining us, well-known lawyer from Delhi. Thank you, Meenakshi. I'm coming to you as well. Anupam Kher, do you think we would have won tonight when Anna makes the detailed announcement? Absolutely. What sense do you get?
It's a brilliant victory. It's a victory of millions of Indians, not only in India but abroad also. It's a victory of the victims of corruption of the last so many years. It's a victory of people who came together. If cricket can bring us together, I think a fight against corruption can also bring us together.
What was the mood this morning when you were there?
It was euphoric. It was the best part of this is there was a great amount of warmth. There was a great amount of anger was not there. There was hope. There was a hope of a possibility of changing the history of this country. I think that's what is fantastic, and it took one person to unite us, because that person has the best track record in this country.
Oh yes.
I was saying this in the morning also, after Mahatma Gandhi, who said, "My life is my message." No other political leader all over the world can say something like that.
Yeah.
And if one person who can say something like that, and that is Anna Hazare.
Yeah.
My life is my message. So I will follow him blindly, like millions of other...
Even after this?
Of course. This is the beginning of a victory.
Is this the starting point, Rishi Kapoor? What do you think? I know you are very often frustrated with the stories of corruption you see around you.
You know, I'm reminded of a dialogue of a film of mine, if I may
please.
decide. You just said there will be no compromises, and I just heard that. You just said something of compromise.
No compromise, only victory.
This film, dialogue is of a film of mine called Prem Rog.
Ji.
And it is said in a different text altogether, but जिसको समझना वो समझ जाएगा कि ये एक रमा और एक देव की कहानी नहीं है. ये सदियों से चली आई गलत परंपराओं और रीत रिवाज के खिलाफ लड़ाई है. जो नासूर बनकर हमारे समाज में फैल चुका है. ये धर्म युद्ध है राजा ठाकुर, धर्म युद्ध है. इसमें समझौता नहीं है. या तो पूरी तरह हार होगी या पूरी तरह जीत.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic, Rishi Kapoor.
It was written way back in 1988. I had the opportunity to say these dialogue, and I think it's very relevant in today's times, as when you said there is no compromises on this.
They can't
have to.
On this, Arnab, there's a beautiful poem, since we are as a professional actor or people, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती.
Oh, absolutely.
नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती.
Oh, fantastic. And that is the sentiment tonight.
Yes.
That is the sentiment. Anil Dharkar, what about the cynics? There were a lot of people cynical initially. Do you think though that cynicism has been cured?
No, the cynicism certainly has gone down. I mean, there were a lot of people being extremely cynical.
Yeah.
But I'll come to the caution, etc. later.
Yes.
Because I think this is a time to enjoy what is happening.
Yeah.
Exult in something which is unique. Because for years and years and years, this country has been living with corruption.
Yes.
And we've all felt helpless. The middle class, the educated middle class particularly, who have wanted to do something, the young who have wanted to do something, they have felt that their hands are tied, that they can't do anything. And suddenly, out of nowhere, this old man comes up, starts this hunger strike, and galvanizes the nation. It is an incredible moment. And I've been watching Times Now all day.
Yes.
And seeing how it has spread. It's like wildfire. It has gone from Delhi, where it started, it has gone all over the country. And the young, and by the way, today I met someone who said, "Who's this Anna Hazare? What has she done?" So there's also that kind of youngster, but that kind of youngster is such a minority, because
My question is today, this country has become too cynical. And, this person has somewhere embodied that positive energy that we can fight back.
Yeah.
Today,
Yes.
I'm shocked that somebody in Maharashtra Assembly picked up a question that Anupam Kher spoke about against the Constitution. It's unbelievable. I just came to know. Somebody called me up and said, "Have you spoken against Constitution?" No, my Constitution gives me the right to speak. I feel that everything has changed in India. We talk about globalization, we talk about free marketing. We have changed, but we don't want to revisit.
Let me put it very simply here tonight. This is the biggest victory in Indian democracy, as somebody said, since 70 years. Did you expect it this morning? This is a complete victory. This is not a compromise. This is the victory of Anna Hazare, isn't it?
One knew that Anna Hazare will see it through till the end. That conviction everyone had, that he will not break his fast till it actually happens. And that the government knew too. And that is why the government blustered but eventually gave in.
Absolutely, the government's completely given in on this one. Anik is a young businessman from Mumbai, also part of this movement. Victory for you?
Completely victory
For
for
the
every
Safed Patti
Indian.
movement? Put that up
Exactly.
tonight.
Yes, we have the Safed Patti movement going on. Everybody who's fighting corruption and supports Anna Hazare, put on the Safed Patti till we get the bill passed.
Fantastic. Anik, congratulations. Will the cynicism end here? Hartosh?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
If I may, just please excuse
Yeah,
me.
go on.
मुझे ज़्यादा सियासी की बातें समझ नहीं आती, लेकिन as a commoner I feel this movement which has taken place, the youth, there's an awakening kind of movement that
Yes.
they wanted this to happen. My question is that let us for a minute assume that the government is absolutely clean. There have been talks about the scams and
Sure.
all sorts of kind of allegations against the government. Let us assume for a minute that the government is absolutely clean. They're absolutely clear. I for one think that no, we are all lying. Media is lying. They're all absolutely clear. If they are clear, then what is the problem accepting this?
They have accepted now.
They have accepted it.
Yes.
There are no other way. अगर आप साफ हैं तो आपको डर किस बात का है? डरता तो वो है जिसने खोट किया हो, जिसके मन में चोर हो. जब चोरी नहीं उनके मन में तो उनको तकलीफ क्या है इसमें एक्सेप्ट करने की?
But ek baat,
You
there
should
was
gladly
something-
accept it.
There was something very interesting today. I was watching Kapil Sibal ji speaking. It appeared to me with his posture that he was among the people who was also fasting. So that was very interesting to notice that, and I think the fact that he talked about udarta and graciousness, I think it was a good sign.
Okay.
Well, all's well that ends well.
No, but
Well, I don't know. I think it's a starting point. I want to get
starting
Meenakshi.
I want to say this, that this is, while we are euphoric, I think this is only the end of the beginning.
That's true.
That is the end of the beginning, and now the real
The end of
beginning.
one chapter, that's
the
all.
real,
Now, yes.
It's the end of a chapter.
Okay.
There's an
It
entire
really
war
starts
left to be
now.
fought.
The whole fight against corruption starts now.
No,
This
but-
is what we have now got is an instrument.
So,
We've
some
got an
people.
instrument.
Meenakshi
We have a
Lekhi.
platform as
I want to go to my guest in Delhi.
please.
Meenakshi Lekhi. Some people said, coercive, unrepresentative, not the right methods, anti-democratic, cynical. Who's this man? He's also got a different background. This is not the way to go about it. Can all those cynical arguments take a backseat tonight? Will the cynicism also take a backseat?
Not really. On
No?
the first day, I was no. You see, when we are analyzing things, we have to be very, very balanced, and we can't be very emotional about these subjects. On day one, the gentleman said that PM is not corrupt, the remote control is. On day 3, he thanks the same remote control. The whole thing, the whole perspective changes. For Kapil Sibal to join in, for Sharad Pawar, he has a different stance. For Sonia Gandhi, he thanks her. I
No,
think
so what-
cynicism cannot end because a lot of things need to be answered.
What are you suggesting?
Especially people.
What are you suggesting?
What am I am suggesting when we talk about corruption, a few people cannot be excluded, and fight against corruption is not just Lokpal bill. There's a whole lot of black money stashed away. There are a whole lot of things which happen wrong in the country.
Why-
The entire system which needs to take care.
Why do I
Lokpal
sense-
bill is not going to
Meenakshi,
happen.
Meenakshi, why do I sense that you're actually disappointed that Anna and
I am
everyone
not
has succeeded? I sense you're very disappointed.
No. I'm not on this that they have succeeded or not. I am all for
She's
this.
looking
But what I'm
unhappy.
saying is we need to learn to see through how things are happening and unfolding. When people say Anna did it, I am really not sure. I think the gentleman did seize the moment, but the movement had been going on for quite some time.
No, but
there were people in Egypt on the streets. A lot of things happened in Tunisia.
So why are you
Media
taking
here
credit
has
away?
proclaimed many things. WikiLeaks. No,
No,
I'm
why
not
are you taking
the
credit away?
am building. I'm sorry.
Is there a sense of-
I'm not taking the credit.
I want to get you, Pritish, to respond to what Meenakshi Lekhi was saying, because I have said it quite candidly that there is, I get a sense, Meenakshi, just to be blunt, that there are people in Lutyens, Delhi, who are shocked and horrified. You know, that a person from the hinterland who doesn't speak an accented language and doesn't preach secession or write long essays, an unlikely hero has emerged as the true voice of the people against its biggest menace. Pritish.
And has been able
I'm
to
sorry,
win a
I'm
victory
sorry.
No, Pritish.
against the most incredible odds, with everybody cynical, everybody saying it cannot be done, and everybody even now, a lot of people saying, what does it mean? Nothing.
So,
I mean, I don't understand this. This is the single biggest victory of the people of India, led by one man. A man who stood up, a man who was never a major force in mainstream politics, who came
Absolutely.
in and stood there and said, I will take a chance with my life, but we will win this war against corruption. And he
saying
won.
something else.
I don't know what
I'm
you're talking
saying
about.
something else.
I
Then
have
please
no
bear
idea
up
what
with
you're
me.
talking
What
about, but it certainly sounds cynical to me.
Hartosh wants to come in. Hartosh, is it time for everyone who said this is the Anna Hazare show to revise their position?
Look, let me tell you where I stand on this. You are asking me the question, I'll speak for myself, Arnab. And the first thing is that let's not confuse cynicism and pragmatism. Corruption disgusts me, but I want to see practical action against corruption. What has happened in this case is that over the past few days we've seen that there is genuine revulsion against corruption in
Yes.
this country. I feel that that revulsion has been dissipated in what is, I think, achievement, but is largely a sidelight in the actual battle against corruption. You know, Jayaprakash Narayan has come and gone, corruption is still with us. You've already
everything
seen
is
the
affected,
possible exulting. I hope,
Arnab, I'm
let
sorry.
me finish. I hope I'm wrong a year from now, but what you will see is that a government which should have been backpedaling, defending itself on the 2G scam, on the Commonwealth scam, is going to go out to the people and tell them we've done what you wanted us to do
Of
on
course,
corruption. This is the most corrupt government. This is the most corrupt government since
see,
independence.
there are
And it has
certain,
been given a fig leaf.
Arnab-
We have dissipated a certain disgust away.
Okay, Hartosh, you're getting response. Anupam Khe's first response to you. Go on.
Arnab, Kiran always says that there are certain people who never know how to be happy. You see, बेटा तू क्लास में फर्स्ट आया, अब तेरे को नौकरी मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी? नौकरी मिल गई तो अच्छी नौकरी
As I
मिलेगी
said,
कि
this
नहीं
is not about
मिलेगी? So there
symbolism,
are
Arnab.
unhappy people. I'm not saying this about you, sir. I'm just saying it generally about cynical people. So those people will always remain like
doesn't
that.
deal with
Those
the point
people
I
will
raised.
always be outsiders.
No, but why is that? Why is
We are larger than life people overall.
Is this an insider outsider thing in that sense that I'm people
No,
that,
it's
no,
about
in the sense
pseudo-intellectualism
in the sense
and reality. I'm
Pseudo-
sorry,
pseudo-
pseudo-intellectualism and reality. Look at the body posture of that lady, Meenakshi. She could be on a cookery show. She could be on an agriculture show.
no, let's not get personal.
No, I am getting personal. I take it personally. I personally went and
Arnab, I think we
thought
are
about
escaping
No, I-
into
let's not get-
something
Posture do you
else here.
expect, Mr. Kher? What kind of posture
I
do you
expect you
expect?
to celebrate tonight
Can we talk about?
the first
I'm
step.
sorry.
the
With
first
celebration,
step
with
that we have
celebration,
got
there is a question about the integrity of the whole thing. And will you please answer me on that?
What is the
How
question
does
about the
stand-
integrity
Okay,
of
one
the
second,
whole
one second, one second,
One
one second.
second.
Pritish Nandi, yes, go on.
1 second. What is this about questioning the integrity of the whole thing? Where did you get that one from?
Why not? Why
Where's that
not?
coming from? I'd like to know.
On day one,
Where's the lack of
on
integrity
day
as you
one,
see it?
Are you
Yeah,
questioning Anna
absolutely.
Hazare's integrity?
Whose
Are you
integrity
questioning
are you
Anna
questioning?
I
Hazare's
don't know.
integrity?
I may be questioning the integrity of the whole thing with people he's surrounded with.
Oh, wonderful. wonderful.
Are you not happy with this? What's happening? Or
Yeah,
what?
exactly.
My question to you:
No,
are
no,
you happy or unhappy?
The-
Why is
One word: are you happy or
Why?
unhappy? नहीं।
Who is he surrounded
आप
by?
खुश हैं या दुखी हैं ये बताएं आप। शक्ल से तो आप दुखी लग रही हैं।
I am
दुखी है,
unhappy.
दुखी है।
I
One
am
at a time.
unhappy
दुखी है।
about the stance taken against corruption, but I'm happy that people have come together against.
But why
corruption.
are you looking so unhappy? आप खुशी से आप स्माइल तो कीजिए
No,
ना।
no, I don't have to answer people like you. I'm making my point. Please answer me.
But
on
you don't
my
have to
point.
make your point.
No, but I want you
And
to
I'm not-
substantiate
I'm
the
not-
point.
I'm
You
not
cannot.
gonna
No, no,
agree.
Meenakshi Lekhi.
You
are
have
for the
questioned
bill.
integrity
Yeah.
of people around Anna
Yes,
Hazare.
I have
Please be
questioned
specific.
the integrity.
Please tell us
I have
who you are
questioned the integrity.
referring to.
Please answer me. I put a question across.